Hello, good evening, everyone. Beta, welcome to the next session on intermediate macroeconomics. First of all, I want you to go through the portal once and see what all we have covered till now. Okay. So let me open the portal once. So beta, this is the portal that I want to go ahead and talk about. And if you can see, I have already gone ahead and we have covered unit 1 of the course. We have done short run and medium run. And in this, we have covered these chapters, which is introduction, wage determination, price determination, and natural rate of unemployment. Just below this, you will be able to see the assignment. Okay. So here you can find all the assignment questions from this chapter, chapter number 6, Blanchard chapter 6. And below this, you will be able to go ahead and you will be able to see some additional lecture also. So ये जो additional lecture है ना, in that you will see that I've gone ahead and given you some more information on important questions that can be asked in exam. So यहाँ पर you will be able to see this video lecture, which is going to talk about these additional things that may come in exam. Okay, beta. अच्छा, इसी के नीचे I will be posting the solutions of this assignment. इसके जितने भी solutions हैं, I will be posting it here. Okay, so you can find solutions to assignment 1 just below this assignment 1. And then if you can see, beta, I have gone ahead and I have done the next chapter also is uploaded here, which is ASAD model. So you can see these two lectures now. This is ASAD model. And again, related to ASAD model, I will be going ahead and posting some assignments here. Okay. The aim of today now is to go ahead and do some MCQ questions with you. So let me just show you that part. Let me share the other screen. Okay. So beta, this is the test or test cum assignment that I have prepared. This is on Blanchard chapter 6, which is labor market. So if you can see, this has 40 plus MCQs and long question answers. Okay. Ye question answers, I haven't written them completely. I've just provided you hints. The reason being that we have already written the complete solution in our class itself. And class lectures, I've already given you complete answers. You can refer to. So if you can see here, this is what I want to go ahead and do. These are all the MCQ questions. You can see now, this is all chapter 6. Okay. I will post this entire assignment on the portal. ये पूरा assignment भी आपको portal पे मिल जाएगा. So I want each and every student to practice this assignment. Okay, beta, because you know now that 30 marks is for MCQs. So you have to practice this assignment. Today, I will do the first 10 questions in this session. Okay. Baaki mein, if you have any doubt at any point of time, you can post it in the Telegram group and I will solve those doubts. Let us look at the first question for the day. Which of the following is considered out of labor force? ठीक है बेटा? तो unemployed, no. Labor force is unemployed plus employed. So unemployed to labor force ka part hai na. So these are part of the labor force. This is correct, beta. Come to the second option. Those temporarily laid off who will be recalled to na. इनकी तो सिर्फ job गई है ना? इनको job दोबारा मिल सकती है. They are part of the labor force. तो ये भी labor force का part है. Come to the next question. Those who worked full time but in family business, तो वो काम कर रहे हैं ना, they are working ना, so they are part of the labor force. ठीक है? Those individuals who have started searching for employment, but people who are searching for employment, those people are part of the labor force. अभी currently वो unemployed हो सकते हैं, but they are searching for employment ना, so they are part of the labor force. So ये भी सही है. This is correct. So what is the incorrect answer? Which are the people who are out of labor force? The incorrect answer is I mean, the correct answer is none of the above. Answer is E. चारों के चारों labor force का part है. All four of them are part of the labor force. Okay. Beta, come to the next question. So the non-institutional civilian population is 250 million. Okay, so the population beta is given to you as 250 million. Out of which 100 million are employed. So employed is given to you as 100 million. And 10 million are unemployed. So beta, unemployed is given to you as 10 million. It says calculate the unemployment rate. Beta, what is unemployment rate? Can someone tell me what is unemployment rate? Unemployment rate is number of people unemployed divided by labor force. यही तो होता है unemployment rate. Number of people unemployed divided by the labor force. Beta, what is labor force? Labor force is employed plus unemployed. Numerator is unemployed. So there are 10 people who are unemployed and labor force is 10 plus 110. So this will better be 10 plus 100, 10 by 110. So जो आपका unemployment rate करेगा into 100 कर दो. This is going to be your unemployment rate. So unemployment rate will come down as 9.1%. So the correct answer to this question will be beta 9.1%. Clear hai? Okay, come to the next question. Based on the information above, the labor force participation rate is. So beta, what is participation rate? Participation rate. It is defined as the labor force divided by population. है ना? What is your labor force? Employed plus unemployed divided by population. So beta 100 are employed, 10 unemployed, or population is given as what? Population is given as 250. So divided by 250. So this will be 110 divided by 250 into 100. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 1100 upon 25. So that means your participation rate will be 44%. जब इसको solve करोगे ना तो 44 आएगा. So this is going to be 44%. Is this clear? Okay. Come to the next question. So let me just mark this. Question number 1. Question number 2. 3. 4. Come to the fourth question. Based on the information above, the unemployment rate is a non-employment rate. So non-employment beta, non-employment. अब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऊपर उन्होंने पूछा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट मतलब पीपल who are looking for job. ये job ढूंढ तो रहे हैं but don't have a job. So people looking for job but don't have a job, that is unemployment. But next is asking you what is non-employment. Non-employment means they are not employed. They are not even looking out for a job, right? That is non-employment. So how can you go ahead and how can you find this thing? So just think about this. The people who are employed, they are 100. The people who are unemployed, they are 10. The population is given to you as 250, right? Now, can you tell me, I am giving you 1 minute. Think about this. Anyone who can tell me what will be non-employment rate? Anyone? What will be the non-employment rate? How will you calculate that? So non-employment rate means the fact that you are not getting paid for doing the job. वो non-employment होता है. So how can you find the non-employment rate? I am leaving that to you. I'm leaving that you as a question. You have to try and tell me how can you find the non-employment rate? The answer I'm giving you is 60%. Try it once. Very easy, very, very easy. Just think this through. Huh? Okay. Better come to the next question. Which of the following individuals would be considered unemployed? Okay. An individual who works only part-time, he's working now, so he's not unemployed, he's employed. An individual who works full-time, he's working now. So if he's not getting paid, beta, it is disguised unemployment. मतलब उसको पैसा तो नहीं मिल रहा, but he is getting, in a way, he is disguisedly unemployed, but not unemployed, है ना? या दूसरी चीज क्या मान सकते हैं? That he is working, but his money, he's not getting paid, but he has a share in the profit. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है. So anyways, he is not unemployed. उसको unemployed नहीं मानेंगे. We will consider him as employed. An individual who is not working and not looking for work. Arey, he is out of labor force. He is not even looking for work. है ना? So he is not part of labor force. Right? He is not even part of labor force. This is a big hint for you in the upper question. He is not a part of labor force. ये labor force का part ही नहीं है. Right? So he is not unemployed. He is not unemployed. He is not unemployed. So answer will be none of the above. Answer is E, none of the above. Okay, beta, come to the next question. Which of the following variable is most directly determined in the labor force market? Okay. So remember that we did two relations. One was called wage setting relation and one is called as the price setting relation. है ना? और wage setting relation directly हमें wage तो दे रही थी, that W is equal to PE FUZ. So I was directly able to give the wage. I cannot give the stock price. I cannot give the interest rate, but I can directly tell you about the wages now through the labor market. So answer will be B. Answer will be B. I hope this is clear to you. So this is question number 5 and 6. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 7, beta. As unemployment rate falls, what is going to happen? The proportion of unemployed finding job increases. देखो, when unemployment rate is falling, what is unemployment rate? Number of people unemployed divided by labor force. So if this is falling, that means this is falling. कम लोग जॉब ढूंढ रहे होंगे क्योंकि लोगों को जॉब मिल रही है. Less people will be looking out for a job because people are already finding a job. So this is correct. जिन अनएम्प्लॉयड को जॉब मिल रही है, that will increase. लोगों को जॉब मिल रही है ना, so it will increase. Come to the second one. The separation rate increases. Beta, the separation rate is the rate of leaving the company. I will leave my company only if you go ahead and you tell me that the labor market is paying more and my company is paying less. Directly unemployment की वजह से I will not leave the market. I will not leave my company, है ना? So this is not a direct relation. The young and unskilled experience larger than average decreases in the unemployment. Correct. This is correct. Now just think about this. देखो, this is very important point, huh? देखो, my entire labor force, beta, I can divide it into two, skilled and unskilled. अब जब बहुत अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होती है, मतलब लोगों के पास जॉब नहीं है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज हाई, इन दैट केस कंपनीज पे यू वेरी लेस मनी क्योंकि बार्गेनिंग नहीं होती, बार्गेनिंग पावर लेस होती है. सो यू हैव लेस बार्गेनिंग पावर and companies pay you less. Now when companies are paying you less, companies have an advantage. Then companies can go ahead and they're a chooser. They're not beggars in this case, they're choosers. Company can choose the right candidate, because there is immense unemployment. Everybody is unemployed. So company can choose the best employees. So company will definitely go for skilled worker. They will never go for unskilled. So when unemployment rate is high, the only people who will get a job will be the people who are skilled. Unskilled will never get a job, right? But when unemployment rate is low, everybody is employed. Then if I need work, I have to go with the only left up people in the market. And who is left up? कौन बच रहा है market में? Unskilled people. Only unskilled is left. Skilled तो सारे उन्होंने ले लिए हैं. So in that case, what is going to happen is that when unemployment rate decreases, then even the unskilled workers will get a job. Even younger people will get a job. Younger matlab they don't have experience. Less experienced people will also get a job. So this is also correct. So answer to this is B. Both A and C are correct. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 8. This question beta says that what is the reservation wage? So I have done one complete lecture on reservation wage. What is reservation wage? Kya hoti hai reservation wage? The wage at which you are indifferent between working and non-working. Jis wage pe you are indifferent between working and not working, that beta is called the reservation wage. So let us look at the options given to us. The wage that an employer must pay to the worker? No. We have studied the efficiency market hypothesis, which says that the wage that employer pays is more than the reservation wage. Yehi to efficiency theory hai, that wage paid is more than the reservation wage. So reservation wage nahi pay karte hai employer, they pay more than reservation wage. So this is the incorrect definition. Look on to the next one, beta. The wage that ensures laid off individual will wait to rehire rather than find another job. Nah, this is not the definition of reservation wage. The lowest wage firms are allowed by law. No. Law ka koi relation nahi hai yahan pe. So just think about this, huh? Suppose, beta, this is the demand of labor and this is the supply of labor. Okay. Suppose I tell you that, beta, the wage that law tells you to keep, मतलब government ने बोल दिया, देखो market equilibrium wage आ रही है W, and at this wage how many people are employed? L. Now government comes and government tells you, look, ये minimum wage है जो आपको set करनी पड़ेगी, इससे कम wage में you will not employ any person. This is the minimum wage. This is not reservation wage. ये minimum wage है that you are supposed to pay. इस पर people are not indifferent between working and not working. Nana. This is just what the law is stating. So this is not the definition of reservation wage. Are you getting it? So this is also incorrect. Come to the next one. The wage offer that will end a labor strike. Laborers ka kya bharosa? They can ask any wage. Maybe laborers will ask, maybe their reservation wage is 40, but wo strike karke they want 80. Strike wage is not the reservation wage. So none of these definitions are actually correct. What is reservation wage? The wage at which you are indifferent between working and not working. And that is reservation wage. Okay, beta, come to the next question. Question number 9. Efficiency wage theory suggests that. So what is efficiency wage theory suggesting? Efficiency wage theory बोलती है कि जो आप wage दो वो reservation wage से ज्यादा दो. क्यों ज्यादा दो? Why should you pay more? So that लोगों की productivity बढ़े, so that the productivity of people increases. And that is your efficiency wage theory. So worker will be paid less than reservation wage. No, you have to pay workers more than reservation wage. ये गलत है. Productivity might drop if wage rate is too low. Correct. अगर आप wage rate कम दोगे तो लोगों की productivity नहीं आएगी. People will not be productive. This is correct. The government can only set tax rate so high that people will prefer not to work. No, this is not the correct answer. Unskilled worker will have a lower turnover rate than skilled worker. No, this is not efficiency wage theory. Efficiency wage theory only talks about productivity. So as we have marked, the correct answer to this question should be B. Okay, beta, come to the 10th question. If efficiency wage theory is valid, we would expect relatively low premium over the reservation wage when? Okay. अब समझो. Premium मतलब क्या है? The wage that you pay minus the wage at which people are indifferent. Okay, बेटा. तो जो wage आप दे रहे हो, और जो लोगों की रिजर्वेशन वेज है उनका जो डिफरेंस है ना उसको हम प्रीमियम बोलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीमियम। अब ये बोल रहा है कि ये प्रीमियम कम कब होगा, व्हेन विल दिस प्रीमियम बी लेस? दिस प्रीमियम विल बी लेस व्हेनेवर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट इज हाई, क्योंकि जब अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ज्यादा होगी, व्हेन देयर विल बी हाई अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, तो बेटा बार्गेनिंग विल फॉल, लोग बार्गेन नहीं कर पाएंगे। And if bargaining power falls, then automatically you will pay low wage. So not unemployment low, unemployment should be high. ये गलत है option. The job requires very less training. If the job requires less training, मतलब like a job of just maybe going ahead and collecting the bills, ठीक है, collecting the toll charges, तो कोई भी कर सकता है, तो उसमें आप बहुत ज्यादा wage reservation के ऊपर क्यों pay करोगे? You will not pay a wage above the reservation wage. So this is also incorrect. Come to the next one. Workers can easily be monitored. So this is correct. Right? If you can easily monitor worker, अगर आप ध्यान से देख पा सकते हो कि कौन ढंग से काम कर रहा है और कौन ढंग से नहीं कर रहा, तो आप एक एक की प्रोडक्टिविटी को इजीली एनालाइज कर सकते हो. In that case, you don't have to take the wage above the reservation wage. देखो, why do we pay wage above reservation? Suppose this is an individual. Beta, he is willing to work at 100. You are paying him 150. तो ये extra क्यों pay कर रहे हो? Because you want him to be productive and you want कि आप अगर नहीं भी देख रहे हो, even if you're not inspecting, he works hard, he is loyal to your company. Suppose इसकी प्रोडक्टिविटी चेक करने का यू हैव अनदर वे, है ना, आपने इसके ऊपर एक सुपरवाइजर बिठा दिया और ये सुपरवाइजर कंटिन्यूसली इस पे देख रहा है, देन शायद आपको उसको हाई वेज दे के इंसेंटिव देने की जरूरत ना पड़े. यू डोंट हैव टू गिव हिम इंसेंटिव. व्हाई? बिकॉज नाउ यू आर ऑलरेडी इंश्योरिंग कि 100 रुपीज में भी ढंग से काम करेगा, बिकॉज देयर इज अ सुपरवाइजर ऑन टॉप ऑफ हिम. Are you getting it? So if you can easily monitor people, है ना, if workers can be easily monitored, then आप शायद 120 रुपीज देकर ही उससे हार्डवर्क सारा करवा सकते हो, 150 तक जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So you will not have to pay a wage very high above the reservation wage. You can pay a little less also. Is that clear? So beta, these are the first 10 questions of your assignment. Huh? But as I have told you, this assignment, it consists of a lot of questions and I want you to try all of these. आपको ये सारे के सारे questions try करने हैं, and if there is any doubt that you have, you can simply put it in the group and I will answer. कि मैम अगर आपको किसी में भी लगता है कि मैम इसका आंसर C क्यों है, कुछ और क्यों नहीं है, so if you have any doubts, just post it in the Telegram group and I will answer it for you. Okay? Thank you, beta.